So here we are, day 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Coming from our campsite at Bulls Gap.
Bulls Gap.
Yeah.
Last night.
Yeah, this is where we stayed, and it's late. It's 12:20 or 10:21 already. We're making breakfast. Today's gonna be a short day for us.
I think 10 miles.
10 miles. We're gonna try to beat the rain, but I think we're gonna hike
4 p.m. right though, so we should be all set.
Yeah.
4 p.m.
So.
And tomorrow we'll do, I think, 14 miles.
Yep. So I don't even know if we'll see anything. Oh, we got summit 3 mountains today, right?
Yeah, 2, 3. I think it's
2 or 3. 2 or 3. So should be good.
You guys trying to do the whole trail, or you?
Yeah, we're from Maine, so.
Oh, are you really?
Yeah,
oh,
so
cool.
We're just taking the scenic route home.
It's a...
Alright. So we're on top of Cow Rock Mountain right now. Here's the view. You probably already saw that. Here's Clyde getting his little, what does that say? Breeze Essential.
Instant breakfast.
Instant breakfast. This is like a meal replacement basically, but he's using it for like a little
On-the-go lunch.
On-the-go lunch / snack, I guess. We only have about 8 miles to go, or probably like 7 actually.
Yeah, we're moving.
Now I'm eating
This is
sweet and salty almonds.
This is like 4 miles from where we started today.
Yeah, so we're making good time. The rain's supposed to come eventually, I think.
But we've lucked out so far. Chocolate. It's gonna be really watered down. Yep, watery chocolate.
Tastes good.
Delicious. A little foot repair. The most important part of your body for hiking.
Yeah, if you feel any hot spots coming on, make sure you take care of it.
That's right.
Otherwise, this stuff doesn't stick for shit. What kind of moleskin is this?
Your sock holds it in.
Do another tiny one.
Let's use some tape. Rain ready.
Shake and bake, baby. Brightens the mood. You talking to any of these?
What? I don't know where we are, so
Mountain.
we're on a mountain, and it's raining.
We're about to summit this mountain. Second mountain. There's almost there.
Here we are. This is day 4.
Day 4.
Finally in our tent. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's raining.
Been raining all day.
Well, we got soaked. It didn't start raining until 12:30, technically.
We didn't leave our campsite till like 11.
11:30. So, what did we do today? 12 point something miles?
It was 11 miles.
11 miles. So, we got here at 3:45. So we did pretty well for ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
We cover a lot of ground every day. Zach's feet are a little beat up.
Yeah, I got some big blisters on my pinky toe. My
Yeah.
moleskin fell off.
Oh no.
So I gotta redo that.
Yeah. My feet are fine. Both our shoes are soaked.
Supposed to rain all day tomorrow.
Yeah, so we might do like a 0 day.
Mm-hmm. Then we're gonna probably go into town the next day.
Hopefully upload videos.
Yeah,
Like
upload
these videos.
the YouTube video.
You'll finally see this. Yeah.
That's it, right?
It's good. See you at the top.
Peace out.